Before we start, yes, I'm an AI clone of Dan, the guy in the suit. Real Dan is out there right now, boots on the ground, fighting for policyholders who got lowballed. He built me so he could teach more people while he's in the field. Everything I know came from him. Let's go. Insurance companies have a playbook, and Dan showed me the top 5 plays they run on you. Tactic 1, the speed offer. They call within 48 hours with a quick settlement. Translation, they know the real damage hasn't shown up yet. Mold takes weeks, structural issues take months, but that check, it stops the clock. Dan calls this the premature close. Tactic 2, depreciation games. They'll pay you for a 10-year-old roof, not a new roof. But if you have replacement cost coverage, they owe you replacement cost, not depreciated value. Dan's seen this trap cost policyholders $20,000 or more. Know your policy. Tactic 3, hidden damage denial. We don't see water damage in the walls. Of course they don't. They didn't tear anything out. They looked at the surface and called it good. Dan's rule: if they didn't open it, they didn't inspect it. Get an independent assessment. Tactic 4, the scope creep. They approve the repair, but not the matching. New cabinet that doesn't match the rest. New roof shingle that looks nothing like your old ones. Dan says, code requires matching. Fight for it. Tactic 5, the silent treatment. They go dark. Stop returning calls. Hope you give up. Dan's seen this more than anything. Document every call, every email. Silence is a tactic, not an accident. Know their playbook, then rewrite it. Follow for the moves that win.